Good morning, friends. Today I am in another park in Mulund. This is called Tulsi Dayal Ram Udyan Park. This is also nearby to my place of staying. Marathon Monte Vista. I'm around 1.2 kilometer from that place. So again, this is a better park than Johnson Johnson. It is slightly bigger and some open gym arrangement is also there. So this is a better place than that park. And here also number of people who are doing brisk morning walk or simply walk are much more than that park. This is slightly inside, that is almost on LBS road, so pollution is more. In this park certainly pollution is less. So this is again a motivational message for the people who are sleeping. Get up, get up, get up in Brahma Muhurt and do 1 hour all 8 pranayams and 1 hour brisk morning walk. Gentlemen, all your diseases will vanish within next 3 months. लेकिन अगर तुम गलती से आलस्य को पकड़ के सोए रहते हो, बहुमूल्य समय जो सात्विक वेला का है उसको यूज़ नहीं करते हो, तो सर्टेनली फ्यूचर इज़ वेरी वेरी डार्क. बी कॉशस नाउ. अगर 50 क्रॉस कर गए तो अलार्म बजना शुरू हो गया, देन सीधा ब्रेकडाउन हो जाएगा. सो बिफोर दैट स्टेज कम्स, कोशिश करो जागने का ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में. वाई आई टेल इन ब्रह्म मुहूर्त? द रीजन इज, इफ यू डोंट गेट अप इन ब्रह्म मुहूर्त, you don't have time for you. 2 hours time you don't have. But once you start getting up in Brahma Muhurt, then certainly it is going to make a difference. This is again Devesh Chandra, Technocrat Yog Guru Devesh, nicknamed T Guru. I am available on YouTube with more than 100 videos to motivate people to do all types of pranayam. And the value addition what I did in my videos are how it is working inside you, how the all pranayams are giving advantage inside you, how your machine is the most complicated and sophisticated machine we are having, how it is getting benefited by all those pranayams technically. That's why I have kept my name Technocrat Yog Guru Devesh. Very few engineers are in this line. I was also not there, but due to some forcible circumstances, the diseases like Parkinson's and all, which started cropping up at around 40, at the age of 40, I don't have any option because there is no treatment for Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, then DNB and all in allopathy still as on date. So certainly where allopathy is failing, you can talk to me, you can contact me. I will tell you the pranayams and certainly improvement will be there. And if your dedication will be very, very high, then like me, then your all the diseases will vanish. I'm telling you, 3 months minimum, and in 6 months, almost all will go. Don't think that once lifetime disease has come cropped up inside you, you have to live like this. No, gentleman, जागो और ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में भागो. देखो मैजिक होगा लाइफ में. यू विल बी एंजॉइंग योर लाइफ अगेन. नहीं तो घिसकता सिसकता लंगड़ाता जीवन is foretold in today's world. What you are seeing, the crowd of hospitals is burgeoning like anything, and certainly now people are becoming aware that they have to give time, at least 1 hour, to themselves so that they can be fit. But if you start giving 2 hours like me, no diseases will be there at the age of 60. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. This is again Devesh Chandra, Technocrat Yog Guru Devesh, T Guru. Right from Tulsi Ram Udyan, something like that, park in Mulund, Mumbai. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.